friends! Welcome back to Flavor. This is not your average sandwich. This is the ultimate melty ham and egg sandwich. My favorite sandwich that my mom makes for me. Crispy, cheesy, gooey, and packed with flavor from the very first bite. Simple steps, warm results. Let's begin. First, heat a pan over medium heat and melt some butter. Crack an egg into a bowl. Season it with salt and pepper. Give it a good whisk. As the butter melts and the egg gently hits the pan, there's the calm in the sizzle, a reminder of quiet mornings and homemade warmth. My mom always makes the best meals for me. Cook until done and set it aside. Take 2 slices of bread and trim the edges. Trimming the edges, not because they're bad, but to make space for softness, for something a little more tender. Butter one side of each slice. This is going to give us that crispy, golden crunch. By the way, watch till the end. My mom's final touch is where the magic happens. Heat a pan over medium heat. Now toast only the buttered sides until perfectly golden and crisp. Then take them out and let's start building the magic, with the toasted side facing down. Spread a layer of mayo and a little mustard. Then stack it up the cooked egg. 2 slices of ham. Two slices of salami. A slice of cheese. 2 slices of tomato. And another layer of cheese. Top it with the other bread slice. And here comes a melty twist. Sprinkle grated cheese right on top of the sandwich. A flavor bomb you'll want to make again and again. To melt all that cheesy goodness, Mom using an air fryer. But don't worry if you don't have one, you can use an oven, a microwave, or even toast it gently on a pan. Because comfort food should never depend on fancy tools. Just a little love and warmth. Place it on parchment paper. Open the air fryer. Pop it into your air fryer. Air fryer at 180°C. Bake for 5 to 8 minutes, until the cheese on top is bubbly and golden. And there it is, perfectly layered, cheesy, crispy, and packed with flavor in every bite. The ultimate comfort sandwich. Sprinkle chili flakes on top. Try this once and you'll never settle for plain old toast again. Like, share, and subscribe to Flavor Town for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.